us in a comment, or if you want any other chapter you can tell us in comment. Okay, so see, in a regression equation I'm not going to tell this this formula, that formula. I'm going to explain in step by step procedures. So this is the question: fit a straight line regression equation. You have to fit a straight line regression equation of y on x from the following data. X and y values is going to be given in a question. So straightly we are going to start a solution. So first we need to write x, then dx, that is nothing but x minus a, then dx square, then y, then dy, dy square, dx and dy. Okay, so x is this is going to be given in a question: 10, 12, 13, 16, 17, 20, 25, 29. Okay, and y values also we have in a question: 10, 12, 24, 27, 29, 33, 37 and 42. Now how we are going to find out dx? Dx is nothing but x minus a. We have x values here. Now a should be the smallest one in all the numbers, so it will be easy for you to calculate. The smallest here is 10. You can take any number, but I am taking smallest so that it can be easy for you to calculation. X minus a, x is the value of x is 10. 10 minus 10, 0. 12 minus 10, 2. 13 minus 10, 3. 16 minus 10, 6. Likewise 7, 10. 25 minus 10, 15. 29 minus 10, 19. Okay, now dx square. Dx square is nothing but, here you have to multiply, like do squaring here. 0 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. 6 into 6, 36. 7 into 7, 49. 10 into 10, 100. 15 into 15, 225. 19 into 19, 361. Now same as it is for y. Dy is nothing but y minus a. A will be the smallest value among all. So 10 minus 10, 0. 12 minus 10, 2. 24 minus 10, 14. 27 minus 10, 17. 19. 29 minus 10, 19. 33 minus 10, 23. 37 minus 10, 27. 42 minus 10, 32. Now dy square. 0 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 14 into 14, 196. 17 into 17, 289. 19 into 19, 361. 23 into 23, 529. 729. 1024. Next dx into dy. Dx into dy. 0 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 14, 42. 6 into 17, 102. 133. 230, then 405, then 608. Then sum of all this: sigma dx square, sigma dy whole square, sigma dx into dy. Add all this. Sigma dx, 0 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, 62. Likewise dx square, add all these numbers, 0 plus 4 plus 9 plus 36, it come up to 784. Then sigma d, 0 plus 2 plus 14 plus 17, it's 134. Then dy square, 0 plus 4 plus 196, come up to 3132. Dx dy, it come up to 1524. Add all this, 4 plus 42 plus 102 plus 133, all okay, 1524. This is the first step. Now you can make as working notes. Then step 2, mean. We are finding out mean. Mean is equals to a plus sigma dx by n. Likewise, we need to find out for y also. Y mean is equals to a plus sigma dy by n. So what is the value of a in x? It's 10, and y it's 10. So 10 plus sigma 62 by 8 is nothing but 7.75. So add this 10 plus 7.75 is nothing but 17.75. Likewise, we need to find out the mean of y. Mean of y, a is 10 plus sigma dy. Sigma dy is 134. Then number of observation in y is 8. So 10 plus 134 divided by 8 is 16.75. Now add both. 10 plus 16.75 is 26.75. So this is our mean of x, and this is mean of y. Step 2. Now we come to step 3. Step 3. Step 1, step 2 and step 3. Regression coefficient of x on y. So this is the formula for that. Regression coefficient of x on y. For this we need to calculate sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy by n by sigma dy whole square minus sigma dy whole square by n. Basically we are calculating this. For this the formula is this one. So we have sigma dx dy. I'll write here sigma dx dy. Sigma dx dy is equals to 1524. Sigma dx equal to 62. Sigma dy equal to 134. Sigma dy whole square equal to 3132. Sigma dy whole square. Sigma dy, we have already written sigma dy, sorry. So sigma dx dy, sigma dx, sigma dy, sigma dy whole square, right? So now substitute this in a formula. Sigma dx dy is 1524 minus, as it is, sigma dx is how much? 62 into sigma dy 134 by n number of observation 8 by sigma dy whole square 3132 minus sigma dy whole square by n is nothing but number of observation. Now calculate this. First 1524 minus 62 into 134 is nothing but 8308 by 8 by 3132 minus 134 into 134. 134 into 134 is 17956 by 8. Okay, so first divide this. 8308 divided by 8, 17956 divided by 8. One 524 minus 8308 divided by 8 is 1038.5 by 3132 minus 2244.5. Divide this one, you'll get this values. Now subtract from 1524 minus 1038.5, so we'll get 485.5. Subtract this and this, so 887.5. if we divide this two, we'll get 0.547. So we have done regression coefficient x on y. Now we need to do regression coefficient y on x. Okay, I told you for every step we need to do x as well as y. So x on y we have done. Now we need to do regression equation y on x. Regression equation y on x. So y on x is, this is regression equation x on y. So y on x, regression equation y on x. For this same formula, but just we need to change the denominator. Here we need to write x. Okay, x square and x square. Sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy by n by sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square by n. So I have written all the values from here. Sigma dx and dy 1524, sigma dy 134. Likewise I have written all the values. So substitute that values. Sigma dx dy 1524 minus sigma dx is 62 into sigma dy is 134 by number of observation is 8 and by sigma dx square is 784 minus sigma dx 62 whole square by n 8. So now multiply first, then divide. Okay, here like 62 into 62, then divided by 8. 1524 minus 62 into 134 divided by 8. I'll write direct values. first you multiply 62 into 134 divided by 8, then subtract this, so we'll get 485.5. then first 62 into 62, then what will be the value, what values is going to become, you have to divide by 8. 62 into 62 divided by 8, then subtract that values with 784, we'll get 303.5. okay, now divide all this 1.599. so step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Now regression equation x on y, this we need to find out. क्वेश्चन में यही पूछा आपको कि आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना था, रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन. सो आपको इतने सारे स्टेप करना था, दैट्स वाई मैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप बताई आपको, पहले फॉर्मूलेस नहीं लिखाई. रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन x on y, for this we have formula x minus x bar equal to regression coefficient y minus y bar, x minus x bar in step 1, x bar in step 1 17.75 equals to regression coefficient x on y, regression coefficient x on y 0.547. so 0.547 y minus y bar, y bar is how much, 26.75, 26.75. okay, so x minus 17.75 equal to, now multiply this with both the values. 0.547 into y is nothing but 0.547 y minus, as it is, 0.547 into 26.75 is nothing but 14.63. okay, so x equal to 0.547 y minus 14.63. send this 17.75 to here, minus 17.75 जब इधर चले जाता तो प्लस 17.75 हो जाता. ओके, सो x इज इक्वल्स टू 0.547 y प्लस इंटू माइनस, माइनस बड़े नंबर की साइन देखना आप हमेशा, तो बड़े नंबर की साइन प्लस है तो प्लस डालना. यहाँ पर माइनस कर रहे हम, बट साइन किसकी डाल रहे, प्लस. ऑलवेज यू नीड टू चेक बिगर नंबर साइन. यहाँ पर -14 प्लस 17 है, बिगर नंबर साइन क्या है, प्लस 17. सो प्लस हम डाल रहे, माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस, सो 3.12. ओके, सो रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन x ऑन y आपके पास क्वेश्चन में पूछा था y ऑन x, तो रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन y ऑन x. अगर डायरेक्टली पूछा आपको x ऑन y और y ऑन x, तो आप अगर ये एक स्टेप ही कर सकते, y ऑन x का करना है हमको. अब अगर नहीं पूछा डायरेक्टली तो आपको पूरे ये x ऑन y पूछा तो बस x ऑन y कर सकते आप, y ऑन x पूछा तो y ऑन x करते. बट आई रिकमेंड यू टू डू बोथ. ओके, y ऑन x एंड x ऑन y. y on x, so y on x है तो y minus y bar equal to regression coefficient x minus x bar. So y minus y bar is 26.75 equal to regression equation y on x. सॉरी गाइस, रिग्रेशन कोएफिशिएंट आना है यहाँ। रिग्रेशन कोएफिशिएंट y on x is 1.599, then x minus x bar is how much? 17.75. okay, so y minus 26.75 equal to, सेम वैसे ही मल्टीप्लाई करना आप, 1.599 into x is 1.599x minus 1.599 into 17.75, 28.38. so y equal to 1.599x minus 28.38 माइनस 26.75 यहाँ पर सेंड कर दीजिए, प्लस हो जाएगा, प्लस 26.75. जस्ट नाउ आई टोल्ड यू प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस होगा, बट बड़े नंबर की साइन जो है वही लेना है आपको. बड़े नंबर की साइन यहाँ पर माइनस है तो माइनस लीजिए, यहाँ पर दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करिए. सो 1.63 इज़ योर आंसर. सो बेसिकली वी नीड टू फाइंड y ऑन x, बट मैं आपको पूरा प्रॉब्लम बता दी. अब जो भी प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड टू रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन आपसे पूछेगा, रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन जो भी रिलेटेड पूछेगा, आप सेम स्टेप फॉलो कर सकते हैं हर प्रॉब्लम में. थैंक यू.